We're going back. We're going way back.
Back into time.
Trust me, back into time.
Mannish Wata.
Mannish, you know. Woman water. Mannish water, same thing.
Mannish water.
Man, it's an authentic recipe, guys. Bit of a mad one still, because back in Jamaica they use like goat parts, like
Head,
testicles, brains, and
testicles, you know.
mad.
And my mother always get the head and all the foot them and make soup and curry down. Do you remember?
Yeah.
Every time.
Growing up, I used to love this soup, you know. Before functions and parties, I mean, just to warm up the belly.
There's belly in there.
It's true, I didn't even know. I'm using those sort of bits because normally in other soups, like the neck, turkey neck, these sort of things are used for the stock. So you don't actually eat the goat head.
Yeah, it's just for
Some
the flavour.
people do, but it's just for the flavour.
Yeah.
As if you don't want to use the head, you can just use, I don't know, goat meat. Goat they use for curry goat if you want, and make it into more of a mutton soup. Guys, remember to like, subscribe, tell a friend to tell a friend. Big up.
Big up, man.
Much love and enjoy the recipe.
Enjoy it. Peace.
Guys, remember to like, subscribe, tell a friend to tell a friend. All of that.
Like, subscribe.
Like, describe, innit?
Like, subscribe, guys, and turn the notifications on as well, so you can get exclusive recipes for our latest videos.
That's right.
Dumpling.
Dumpling, yeah man, dumpling as well.
Spinners.
Spinners, yeah man, spinners in there as well.
Yeah, man.
Yeah.
Big up.
Big up, man.
Much love and enjoy the recipe.
Yeah, make
Enjoy.
soup without
Peace. See you
dumpling.
soon, guys.